guys, what's going on? I'm Liam from the Toronto studio. In this video, we're actually going to be talking about video marketing for your business. If you know nothing about video marketing, this video is for you and it will help you with your business. So let's get started. So in one of my other videos, I did the power of storytelling, and now I'm going to combine the knowledge from that video with video to get you started on marketing your business for video. So the first thing to consider is you got to know the 4 principal questions before you start marketing for anything, but especially for video. And the first is, who are you trying to market to? Where are they located? And what are they interested? And why are they going to buy my product? So if you have those 4 questions answered already, then this is going to be a breeze. So the next thing you have to do is you have to construct a story that answers those 4 questions in a visual way, right? So who are they, right? So if, let's say you have a video and you're targeting moms, you show a mom at a soccer game, cheering her kid on, or you show a dad maybe who's building a treehouse with his kid if you're targeting dads. If you're targeting construction workers or landscapers, you show them at work and the hard work they do, right? The next, you got to show them where they're located and where they can find you, right? So you have it maybe a video of the town you're in, or the city, or if you're going countrywide, the country, and then it brings into how they can find you, where they are, where you are, how can they find you. And the next thing you're going to show is the benefit of what your product or service is offering them. So the benefit is what that service is doing for them. So let's say that they're a kid, you own a pizza place, it's a mom, she comes back from a soccer game, she doesn't want to cook, she orders your pizza place, and it's a big happy family around the table. That's a story you can tell. So you got to think about that, right? You think about those questions, and then you think about how you're going to tell that story. If you're a sportswear equipment, you show a kid breaking his skate, he's distraught, dad brings him into the hockey skate shop, fix it up as good as new, they're super happy, he scores a couple goals and wins the game. All you got to do is just focus on those 4 questions and answering them in your videos, right? And then linking those videos back to your website or a phone number or somewhere they can reach you. So I'm going to use this video as an example, okay? So I'm part of the TorontoStudio.com. I highly recommend you check it out. We're a digital marketing and design agency based here in Canada. And what we do is I call ourselves dream makers, and we help small to medium businesses scale up their business and do what they love. Right? So that's it. So I create these videos showing my knowledge and expertise in the skill set, which builds trust and also says, hey, this guy knows what's up. This guy knows what he's doing. And if I watch enough of his videos and I still feel that way, I'm going to give him my business. And that's how I'm using video marketing to grow my business. And it's been successful. We're still a very relatively new YouTube channel, but we're seeing results already. Right? So you don't need to do these huge, massive video productions. You just got to do enough that tells a story in a compelling way that demonstrates your expertise and value to your customer, right? Value in a visual way. And you can use stock video sites. You can record with what I'm doing with a camera. It doesn't need to be huge, and you don't need to spend a lot of money, but it does need to be impactful. Right? It does need to hit a chord with the person you're targeting. Otherwise, it's not going to work, right? You can't just throw, if I just came at you guys and was like, hey, web design, web design, web design, web design, you're going to tune out immediately. Instead, what I do is I tell you how to grow. I tell you how to be successful with or without us. And if you choose to use us to get there faster, you will. Right? So that's how we use it, right? We use it to tell these stories. Anyways, I'm Liam from the Toronto studio. I hope you found this video on video marketing for your business very helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to this video. We are trying to grow our channel, like I said, and any support is really, really, really appreciated. So thanks, guys.